Cancer, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is guidance, 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 guidance. You come so far, and it's time that you open up your heart to have a teachable spirit. Work hard. Don't work hard, work smart. Ask for the right wisdom, the right tactic, the next step. Actually show your blueprint, and then see if someone can give you some intellect on how to perfect it where you're not wearing yourself out. You don't need to be exhausted to put in a great day's work and great effort. Guidance, this means it's time to tap into your prayer life, your meditation life, going out to the elements and asking with your mouth for wisdom, knowledge, and understanding. And then we're not keeping on asking for what we want. Then it's time to listen. And when we get those downloads, when we get that person that gives us the right wisdom that we say, that's speaking to my situation, have the heart and courage to actually be humble enough to execute. In times of uncertainty, I ask God to guide me into the light for my being. I am directed toward doors that will open my inner freedom. Freedom is around the corner. We're a few meters away from your freedom and crossing the finish line and starting the race to abundance. So just ask. Don't mind. Don't feel do not feel that you're less intelligent or that weak people ask. No, only the strongest ask, and then the strongest actually implement, because they're humble enough to do that and to be great. You can't do it all. We all can't do it all on our own, but we can do a lot, but not everything. You open up to inner freedom, and you step forward in trust. And I release my fate to God, and my faith, it says, is rewarded. Are you ready for your reward? Well, it's time to prove it. If you're ready for your reward, make sure you ask, listen, then implement. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. And I love you too.